Hello ladies. I want to talk to you today not just as a woman, but as someone who understands how deeply a man's energy, confidence, and intimacy can affect a relationship. When the man you love feels tired, less passionate, or insecure, it doesn't just affect him, it changes the way you both connect. That's why I want to share something many women are discovering: VigRX Plus. As men get older, especially after 40, their vitality can start to fade. The changes are sometimes subtle at first. Maybe he doesn't have the same desire for intimacy, maybe his energy in the bedroom is lower, or he just doesn't seem as confident. But for us, as women, these changes are easy to notice. We feel it in the closeness, in the passion, and in the emotional bond. It's not easy watching the man you love struggle with these issues. You want to help, but you don't always know how. That's where VigRX Plus comes in. It's a natural male enhancement supplement that has been trusted for over 20 years. Unlike risky medications or quick fixes, VigRX Plus is made from carefully chosen natural ingredients that support men's sexual health, stamina, and performance in a safe and effective way. And here's the part that really matters. VigRX Plus isn't just about stronger intimacy, it's about restoring the energy, confidence, and passion that makes him feel like himself again. For women, that means you're not only helping him, you're bringing life and joy back into your relationship. When a man takes VigRX Plus consistently, here's what many women, like me, notice: more desire for intimacy, longer-lasting performance in the bedroom, stronger, firmer erections, a boost in overall confidence and mood. It's not just about physical performance, it's about emotional connection. When he feels confident and satisfied, the relationship becomes stronger, closer, and more passionate. One of the best things about VigRX Plus is the safety and trust behind it. It's made in the USA, in FDA-registered facilities, with natural ingredients backed by clinical studies. No dangerous chemicals, no scary side effects. Just a safe, proven supplement that helps men rediscover their vitality. So, if you want to see your partner energized, confident, and passionate again, encourage him to try VigRX Plus today. You'll notice the difference, and he will thank you for supporting him. Right finger click the link below or scan the QR code on screen to order VigRX Plus now. Don't wait, because your relationship deserves the closeness, passion, and joy that VigRX Plus helps bring back. As women, we often carry the role of encouragers in our relationships. When our men feel strong and capable again, we feel the difference too. VigRX Plus isn't just about intimacy, it's about restoring connection, happiness, and love. And that's something every couple deserves. Order VigRX Plus today and bring back passion, energy, and confidence. Right finger VigRXHealthTips.com/whiten